What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on STRUMP because regarding the Trump's win in the US elections, this coin is dumping really heavily and we are taking here really important liquidity. In this video I will tell you the exact price I think this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days. I will tell you if I think this is just a manipulation to get, let's say, these coins for lower prices, so this can be an absolute wonderful buying opportunity, or if I think this coin is probably gonna go near to zero. So yeah, if you are interested about that, definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today with a technical analysis and potential buying opportunity. As you can see on the 12-hour chart, we are forming here this bullish order block, which is between level 0.00407 and 0.003 for free. And you can see we perfectly took liquidity under. So if there will be a support confirmation, this can be absolutely amazing from a let's say technical analysis perspective, a long opportunity. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so the stop loss will be, let's say, around like 18 to 19% of a net market, and the last take profit target you can, for example, place above this bearish order block, which will give you a potential profit around like 121%. I know that if you are holding this coin, let's say long term, then you definitely want to, let's say, sell it on a higher prices. But then we are having here these two bearish order blocks. I'm not saying we are not gonna, let's say, we are not gonna break them. And if you want, you can speculate here for really high take profit target. So for example, place the last take profit target above this last bearish order block, which will give you, in this case, risk reward ratio around 21. Me personally, I will be definitely not taking this long shot because there is actually not that high probability right now that we are gonna get back to these previous prices. But for me, trading it something like this is, in my opinion, really great. And this dump, let's say, because this dump is really looking like a big market manipulation, and in my opinion there's pretty high probability that we will recover to these previous prices really soon. So yeah, if there will be that perfect support confirmation, maybe with another liquidity grab, I will be definitely thinking about the potential long trade. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. If we take a look on a daily time frame, you can see also we took liquidity under like all of these previous important lows. The only difference is we don't have here like this bullish order block, and we took liquidity under, let's say, this starting point, because like from this point this whole previous pump started. As I said, in my opinion, this is just a liquidity grab. I think there is pretty high probability that we will recover to its previous prices, but as I also said, I'm waiting here for that support confirmation of this bullish order block on the 12-hour chart. And if this condition won't be met and we are gonna, let's say, break this level and we will get to another low, then I won't be opening here any new long trade, because it's simply, in my opinion, from a technical analysis perspective, not worth it. If we take a look on some lower time frames, you can see we are not having here anything that we can trade. Again, the only thing that I can say is a liquidity grab. It is really important how the current candle, especially on the 12-hour chart, but for example also on the 4-hour chart, will close, and then we are having here this resistance area, which is between level 0.01103 and 0.007092. So this resistance area is actually having around like 55% of a net market, and if we are gonna test it, there is pretty high probability that we can go grab a liquidity above. If you are interested about my long-term view on this coin, which means do I think that this coin will ever, let's say, break this current all-time high, then in my opinion, probably no. I am definitely not planning to buy this coin to my, let's say, long-term portfolio. As I said, I'm watching here only this potential setup, but probably a lot of you bought this coin somewhere around these prices. And for you, like if you for example want to sell this coin on at least break even, then yeah, I think there is pretty high probability that we are gonna retest this area. And if you are, for example, interested about some new interesting buying opportunity, then yeah, trading the setup that I showed you on the 12-hour chart is, in my opinion, really great idea. But again, do not risk for example more than 1% of your trading capital per a trade like this, because we are having here pretty huge stop loss, which will be around, let's say, as I said, like 18-19%, something like that. But if the trade will go in our favor, then we are getting profit around like 125% of a net market. So the risk reward ratio is really great. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to know about all the coins that I'm trading, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing my analysis every day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.